Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. I will also link both of our Ko-Fi shops so you can check them out. Happy Sunday, budget friends. We are back at it again. And as I promised myself, I was going to sit down each week no matter the circumstances. I'm really overwhelmed right now with everything, but I will say coming back here and holding myself accountable has been kind of motivating for me, because it just gives me the sense of I can continue on, right? I can keep doing this. We're going to go ahead and work our quick little budget with the cash we have, which is 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 101. So we have $101 that we're working with. And as a matter of fact, the $1 we have is a K-Buck, so I was pretty excited about that as well. This paycheck is for December 12th, 2025, so we just want to make sure we're tracking that. So I did leave money in my account. Whatever I can outside of my expenses is in my account. I've got to pay my rent and the rest of my bills. I mentioned before I did pay up my bills ahead of time. However, all that money is gone. And so I'm back to having to pay them monthly until I can save money, or until tax time or something like that where I can pay up my bills. So for part-time income is what I'm working with here, and we're going to put 61 from my part-time, and then from Etsy. I actually made a little bit more money from Etsy, but my kiddos and I, well, they went to a movie separate from me. I went to a different movie, so I did spend the $20 that I had from Etsy there. Now, probably need to scale back on the extra spending, but I figured today's as good a day as any to actually have my kiddos go out and enjoy themselves, and then myself as well. We're not going to worry about the bills. This money is for our expenses only. So let's see here. First off, we usually give mommy money, and we'll have to sort through that. I did think I budgeted the money for mommy, and so I decided to actually stuff that envelope. However, that money has been used as a buffer, and we did put it to groceries last week, and I think that is what's going to happen this week as well. So gas, groceries, household, Mr. Fluffles, and then laundry. So I did mention before that I was trying not to go on discount days, but they did raise the prices for laundry. I actually did go on a discount day just to try to save myself a little bit of cash if I could. So mommy, we're going to go ahead and give $10. However, like you said, that's basically, I'm just going to write that on there. It's a buffer, and it's probably going to go to groceries. Gas, we're going to go ahead and do $20. And household 10, Mr. Fluffles 10, and laundry 10. Let's see here. Savings $1, and that's K-Bucks. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51. So does that mean I have $50 remaining? Hold on, let me count this up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, $40. 40. I was adding money that I don't have. So we have $100 there plus 100, giving us the grand total of $101. And that's what we're going to cash stuff today. Yeah. this should be really smooth. Let's see if we can get through this smoothly. All right, so I went ahead and pulled out my A6 envelopes. These are available in the shop. If you're interested, their shop will be linked down below. These are the A6 and they have the clear back. I really like them, and I was trying to stick with the A7, but what I noticed is I am switching my bag from big to small, and I'll just pull the money as I need it. So for instance, I know I'm going to go get gas today, but the other envelopes don't need to be with me. Just because I know I need to prepare to get groceries. And as a matter of fact, I think I'm going to take the grocery money back to the bank. And I know people say, well, why do you pull it out if you're just going to take it back? I need to see what I'm doing. Because the part of my grocery fund is from the SNAP benefits. And because I don't get a whole lot, it's supplemental. I still have to pay for whatever I can. So I'm just going to put that money back in the bank. And then I'll use my debit card. Because I like to do an online shopping. All right, so let's separate this cash. And first up, Mommy's getting $10. I should make it say buffer, but one day I'm hoping to go back to paying myself. And I know a lot of people have mentioned how important it is to pay yourself, and I really 100% agree with that. But I've got to take care of my household first, so I just don't have the luxury right now, but hopefully soon. Gas, we're going to go ahead and put $20 there. And groceries, we're going to go ahead and put 40, 20, 40. And I have my list ready to go. Yeah, I've just got to prepare the next couple of weeks. My kiddos are going to be out of school for Christmas break, so household $10. And I do have that list going as well. I notice if I have a little list going, then I'm less likely to buy things that I don't need. Because I'm one of those people that I will buy things that I don't need. Household, $10, okay? And then Mr. Fluffles, he's getting $10. And he does need some, I think he just needs wet food. I think he needs wet food and maybe a bag of kitty litter. I'll check on that. I need to see. Miscellaneous, we're going to go ahead and put, we're actually going to put $10 to laundry, but I'm hoping that I just need $5 and then I can use the other $5 for groceries. That's what I'm hoping. But I've got to make it on the discount days, which are hard because there's so many people and I don't like spending that much time there. So we'll see. All right, and then we have our last K-Buck. This savings challenge you can find linked down below as well in our shop. And I am saving K-Bucks. My oldest son, who's passed away, his name is Kamarian, begins with a K. So that's why I'm still saving K-Bucks. It is the only savings challenge that I'm working on at this point. And it's not really a challenge, just like kind of saving and tracking what I have. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you know what? As a matter of fact, when I went through my Christmas binder, I pulled the $2 bills and switched it out for other cash. So I still have a couple dollars that is just in my $2 bills. I think I'm going to grab those because one of them I think was a K-Buck. I'll be right back. Dun, dun, dun. Yes. Okay. So we're just going to add the K-Buck there. I wish there was more in there, but that's where we're at right now. And hopefully I can save some more money in this savings challenge. And I think what I'll do is, since I'm not using my A7 this week, I have my envelopes, my little envelopes, they're actually on my bed. So when I need the money, I can just pull it out. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in the back here so I know where it is, and then I'll be back to it next week. So coming soon in our shop, we are going to have a lot more options for the custom cash envelopes. So be on the lookout for that. I know a lot of people are setting up for the new year, and that was one of the things we were talking about, is getting set up. So I want to get set up too, and there's some very pretty cash envelopes that will be in our shop here very soon. So hopefully we'll be showcasing those on our channels, so you can take a look and you know, maybe be inspired, and hope to see you all shopping with us. That's where we're at. I think that's it, you guys. We gone ahead and stuffed all of our envelopes that we needed to. Like I said, I have a plan where I'm going to pull this money as I need it, and see how it goes. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.